petritimal epilepsy or the minor epilepsy and the status epilepticus. Granular epilepsy is nothing but it is also known to be as tonic-clonic seizures. What do you mean by tonic? Tonic means the stiffening or the rigidity of the muscles of the limbs, you can say, and the clonic means the jerking or the bending movements of the limbs. Whereas petritimal or the minor epilepsy is also known to be as the absence seizures. It is unrecognizable, so it is not very much important as per veterinary practice. So, what is generalized seizures? It affects both the hemispheres of the brain. Symptoms are loss of consciousness, muscle rigidity, panic movements, as I have already told you, salivation as well, urination and defecation. In the case of focal seizures, it originates from the one brain area. इसकी सबसे अच्छी example है canine distemper. We know that in canine distemper we have the chewing gum seizures, and twitching of one limb, facial muscle spasms and behavioral changes. The next word is cluster seizures. Two or more seizures within the 24 hours. But in between the two seizures, there is the recovery of the patient. In the status epilepticus, it is the continuous or the intermittent seizures which are lasting for more than 5 minutes or the repeated seizures. But in between the two seizures, there is no recovery of the animal at all. And more than 5 minutes, it can also extend up to 30 minutes, and it can also lead to the death of the animal. Now the phases of seizures and its signs. So first of all, we have the prodromal, then aura, ictus and the post-ictus. Remember that, don't get confused between ictus and the icterus. Icterus is the yellow refers to for the jaundice, and ictus is the specific for scientific term for seizures. So I will only discuss about the ictus. Generalized and focal I have already discussed. So let's come to the post-ictus, that is the recovery phase. In the recovery phase, animal faces blindness, ataxia, polydipsia बहुत प्यास लगती है, polyphagia बहुत भूख लगती है, and exhaustion as well. Diagnosis on the basis of medical history या seizures description also, like in the case of video से हम देख सकते हैं या obviously general examine कर सकते हैं. Neurological examination between the seizures we can do, as Dr. Ravinder already told us in the during the workshop. And in blood and urine test to rule out the metabolic and the toxic causes. Blood Q to rule out the hepatic failure or the kidney failure. And we have urine test and imaging MRI and CT scan specifically for local causes which are present within the brain. And EEG is rarely used, that is an electroencephalography, but it can confirm this is the activity. Treatment. So before starting of the treatment, we must know the goal. To reduce the seizure frequency and the severity. See, we can treat the animal, but we cannot properly cure the animal. We can improve the quality, but still epilepsy will be there. So the first and foremost, emergency treatment, we give the diazepam. We already know that what is the drug of choice for status epilepticus? Diazepam.